Hello and welcome to the first video on how to use the Smsweb service. In this video we're going to show you how to log into your Smsweb account, and we're going to show you some of the features on Smsweb. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your address bar on top. You want to delete the URL that is currently in your address bar, and you want to type in smsweb.co.za. Now the choice is up to you how you want to get to the website. In this case, you can either click go to, or you can just hit enter. What I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be hitting enter. Okay. Once you hit enter, you will see that you will be on the home page of Smsweb. You'll note the home page of Smsweb by looking at the logo on the left hand side, and you'll also find buttons to the right of that, such as login, home, services, testimonials, frequently asked questions, and the contact us page. Okay, so in this video we're going to be working on the login. So when you click login, a drop down menu will appear and you will be able to put in your username and password. Your username and password will be given to you by our telesales ladies when signing up to Smsweb. In the username field, please enter the username that was given to you. In my case, I'm going to be using a test account which has its own username and password. So in the first field I'll put in test, in the second field I'll put in my password. Okay, so now that you have the username and password entered, you can either click enter on your keyboard, or you can click on the login button. In my case, I'm going to be clicking on the login button. Okay, so now that you've logged into the Smsweb service, you will be greeted by what we call the welcome page. You'll know that it says that on top, welcome, and the name of your school. In my case, the name of this account is going to be Smsweb Test. Okay, there's many features that we're going to discuss in detail in later videos, but now we're just going to discuss the menu bar. So as you can see, we've got home, manage your data, send messages, reports, iText, CRS, help, and logout. On the left hand side you'll see icons where you can view parent pupil information or the school's profile. On the right hand side you'll see send an SMS and SMS delivery reports. Those are merely shortcuts to features that are available on the menu bar. On the top you'll find our social media accounts. That will be Twitter if you would like to follow us, Facebook if you'd like to comment, YouTube for videos that we've uploaded, and our blog page where we post articles. In the center of the screen you'll find the welcome message itself. This may change from time to time depending on what message needs to be broadcasted to you. This could be information about the SMS service is currently offline, we're working on a problem, or any other relevant information or new features that we would like to introduce to you. At the bottom of that you'll also see the contact Smsweb details. Okay, so let's go to the home menu. The home button just brings you back to this screen. So wherever you are in the menu, it brings you back there. Manage my data, you'll be able to see the school profile, learners, parents information, groups, managing group members or creating or editing groups, quick pick templates, send by SAL setup, which has assign group, send authorization, send by SAL manuals, and SAL user instructions, and then user accounts. On the send messages menu, you will see send SMS. The send SMS is where you'll be sending out messages to the parents. Send email is a new feature that we will be introducing, which is currently being piloted in a few schools, which will be in effect next year. Reports. Reports give you information about active learners, group members, whether your messages was delivered, incoming reply SMSs, and which messages were not delivered. iText is a feature that we have that's free of charge and it's available to use. CRS is very similar to getting permission slips. Help is a user manual on how to use the system. And then lastly, we also have the logout button. Okay, so that concludes our first video on the welcome page and how to log in and log out. So if you would like to click on the logout button, you will see that it will take you back to the home page of Smsweb. Okay, thank you very much.